We start by creating two floors of 3.20 metres and 6.40 metres elevation level, respectively. Insert the templates. For the floor 0, you choose the appropriate template. The draw grid has been deactivated to have a better display of the template. We proceed with the columns. Its section has no variation, so it can be completely inserted. We continue with the external facade and the internal partition of floor 0. Choose the height and the thickness. One thing to keep in mind is the way it's going to be introduced. Now the internal partition. Its height is 2.95 metres due to the subtraction of the floor slab thickness, 25 centimetres. We proceed to insert the screed. The way to insert it is below the surface. On floor 1, we insert the appropriate template. Insert the beams on this level. We can see the interference between the beams and the external facade. It needs to be fixed. Click on this option to delete them. Do it in this order: wall, beam. We can see there are no interferences. We must do the same for internal partition. Each element will be divided into layers. This allows you to choose the elements to visualize at a certain time. We insert the floor 1 slab. We insert walls and partitions of this level too. We have to activate the template to insert the beams. We have to fix the element interference. Insert the slab on this level. Now insert the roof. This blue point determines the roof vertex.